Yeah, you can't get. Come on, you want to try? You want to try me?
This is dog versus retarded man.
Trying me up. Give it. Help me! He's tying me.
Nick, stop going around in circles.
Give it. Ow! You dog! I hate you. Stop it! Ow!
Nick, get up and try to walk.
He's crying. He stacked me.
Cypress!
This is so funny because
Okay, put your guys' face up together.